ClickUp Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to ClickUp are in the description below. In this video, I'm reviewing ClickUp, an all-in-one project management and business automation tool. ClickUp is designed for teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, providing powerful task management, team collaboration, and automation features in one platform. It's especially useful for businesses looking to streamline workflows, reduce manual tasks, and improve productivity across teams. One of ClickUp's strongest features is its customizable task management system. You can create tasks, subtasks, and assign them to team members, add due dates, attachments, and set priorities. But what really sets ClickUp apart is its automation capabilities. With ClickUp automations, you can automate repetitive tasks, such as assigning tasks, changing statuses, and sending notifications. This helps reduce administrative work and keeps your projects moving smoothly without constant manual updates. The views in ClickUp are another standout feature. You can manage tasks through List View, Board View, Calendar View, or even Timeline View, making it adaptable to any project type. You can also create custom fields to tailor the platform to your specific needs, ensuring you're capturing the most relevant information for your projects. Whether you need detailed progress tracking or just an overview of tasks, ClickUp gives you the flexibility to manage work your way. ClickUp also integrates seamlessly with other popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom, making it easy to centralize your business operations. While it offers a wide range of features, the learning curve can be steep for new users. However, once you get the hang of it, ClickUp becomes an incredibly efficient tool for managing workflows. Overall, ClickUp is an exceptional tool for businesses looking to automate tasks, improve collaboration, and increase productivity. Whether you're a small team or part of a large enterprise, ClickUp's flexibility and automation capabilities make it a top choice. Check out the description for more details and links to get started.